Panoorin po natin mga madam, mga sir, ang ating Mahalima SB19 dito nga po sa AOS, no? Dito nga po sa All Out Sundays. So kasama po nila mag-perform dito ang Be First, syempre ang kanta nilang Toy Friends nga po, no? Okay, so mga madam, mga sir, tara, no? So hindi siya live, no? Recorded, kumbaga taped ang tawag ron, no? So ganun, no? So mga madam, mga sir, wala nang patumpik-tumpik pa, i-play na agad natin to, no? Let's go!
Isa sila sa mga sikat na J-pop idols, kinilala para sa kanilang strong live vocals, songwriting abilities, and world-class choreography. Sila ang Be First. At dito sa AOS, be the first to experience their one-of-a-kind collab kasama ang Kings of P-pop and the first Pinoy act to grace the Lollapalooza Music Festival, SB19.
Yeah!
Witness two elite pop royalties bring you Toy Friend, isang kanta mula sa 2026 album ng SB19, Wakas at Simula, performing on a special
Wakas at Simula, pero Simula at Wakas yung nakalagay doon, nakita. Hindi, joke lang. Napansin ko pa, no?
Here's a history in the making, starring Be First and SB19.
You think I'm just somebody to play with for a night? Ah, you're crazy at your
Eh!
You were fire, I was smoke. You came over to play, and I didn't do stuff, so you call my name.
Live na live mga madam, mga sir, no? Wala siyang backtrack, no? Live vocal talaga to. Let's go!
And I didn't do stuff, so you call my name. Couldn't place what I felt. Daydreaming was alright. Now I still keep all our secrets.
Yeah.
I see the picture. It's laying around. Feels like something could go badly wrong.
Linis!
Never imagination took us away. Tell me why you're giving me all that on and off.
Ang ganda rin talaga ng boses ng ng Be First, no? Linis din talaga, no? Pumapalseto pa eh, no? Let's go!
Tell me why you're giving me all that on and off. You think I'm just somebody to play with for the night. Ah, you're crazy at your it's unpredictable. Following your drama, say you can trust.
Ang dami nila, kaya lang, pero parang ang liit ng stage para sa kanila kasi 7 ang Be First, no? 7 ba? 6, tapos 5. So ang dami. Ang liit ng stage ng
It's
AOS.
unpredictable. Following your drama, say you can trust the guy.
Diba?
Nah, you're gonna treat me like
Palseto, no?
just another toy friend.
Wow, wow!
I don't wanna be just another toy friend. No. I don't wanna be.
Ang tining ng boses ni Stel dun eh, no? Dinig-dinig talaga eh. Ha? Yeah, rapper. Yeah, nice. Dati nag-rap, oh.
You throw me to the left, push it up and then we go right. While you saying, can you keep a secret? I see the picture.
Angas ng choreo.
Feels like something could go badly wrong.
Yeah.
But our imagination took us away. Tell me why you're giving me all that on and off.
Angas si Pablo. Naka-leather jacket. Ang action star yung datingan mo rito, Pablo, ha.
Tell me why you're giving me all that on and off. You think I'm just somebody to play with for a night. Oh, you're crazy rich away. It's unpredictable. The way you're trying to say you can trust
Ken.
no guy. Now you wanna treat me like I'm just another
Toy friend. Wow, wow.
I don't wanna be just another toy friend.
Wala natin lang kinuwang backup dancer eh, no? Sila na rin talaga eh, no? Kasi nga, since marami na rin sila rito, no? At the same time, syempre, yung stage nga, talagang, yun, maliit. Isang balls to na.
Open up and I can give you everything you're looking for. You think I'm just somebody to
Nice, Tel. Uy! Mhm.
following your trauma, saying you can trust no guy. And now you wanna treat me like I'm just another toy.
Diba? Live na live yung vocal, mga madam, mga sir. Ang, diba, kanya naman, no? Walang backtrack, no? Walang backtrack. Alright. Ang asang panapos, ha. Si Ken. Okay, cut na natin mga madam, mga sir. Solid to, no? Sa live to ng All Out Sunday, yung kinuha natin yung pinakang video. Kinuha lang natin yung pinakang part ng performance ng SB19 at syempre ng B-First nga po. No? So, yun lang yung kinuha natin. Okay, yan sa mga madam, mga sir, hindi siya naka-live, no? So, recorded to. Ewan ko lang kung kailan to pinperform nila. Pero siguro mga April to. May nakikita kasi ako April or mga May. Pero siguro after ng concert ng SB19 sa Trilogy Finale, no? So or before nun. So April 'yon kung tama ako sa hula. Hula ko yun. Okay, 'yun solid, no? So props din sa inyo, dalawang grupong malulupit, no, mula sa Japan, syempre B-First. At the same time sa atin syempre sa Pilipinas, SB19, ang live monster nga po, ng Kings of P-Pop. No, so salamat AOS sa pag featured sa Mahalima, at the same time sa B-First dito nga po sa All Out Sunday. So yun, mga madam, mga sir, napaka-solid ng performance. Kitang-kita naman ang live vocals, talaga naman narinig na naman natin, no? So lahat talaga sila maganda ang boses. Even ng B-First talaga naman, oo. Okay? Yan, so sana nag-enjoy ka sa panibagong upload natin, mga madam, mga sir. Kita-kita tayo sa mga sunod na upload. Once again, Dogs UTV. Peace. I'm out. Bye-bye. God bless all.